Good evening, guys. After so many days, your favorite podcaster of SVRS Sai Krishna Seko, Sai Krishna is here before you. Welcome to one and all. Hope you're having a great Friday. And we'll be planning some weekend plans for Saturday and Sunday. Isn't that cool and great? So today's topic is how to convert a great dream or a long time plan to mini plans and short term goals. This seems to be very much common, but it is very, very, very difficult because the moment you start dreaming, you take a lot of mental pressure, family situation, financial situation, all the things creep up on you when you think about your dreams. The insecurity, the performance pressure, the judgmental issues, all of these things just take away the power from your hands. That power is nothing but called as action. No matter how many people talk about you, whatever the situation is, whatever the condition, the worst, the best, the good result, the bad result, anything you're going in your life, that should not affect your head up there. Your mind should be as solid as a rock. I would like to add the great quote by the fighter Bruce Lee. He once said, "Be like water." Be like water in the sense, water takes any form it is put into the substance. Water, if it is put into a water bottle, it takes the shape of water bottle. If it is shaped into a bucket, it takes a shape of a bucket. If it is put into a mug, it takes a shape of the mug. The flexibility, the adaptability, and the mindset not to give up. This is what makes water. And that's how stubborn, that much of belief system should be built for you. That is the most important process in the process of dreaming. So let me tell you, as a teenager you will be having so many dreams, like becoming a doctor, becoming an actor, becoming a poet, becoming a writer, becoming a sports player, becoming an athlete. So I'll just give you a small example of how to just tell you for the parents or the teens who want to really do something. For example, this is for the parents. If you tell them, just have this example of not buying him an ice cream, just see how he's reacting. Your kid when he's small. When he's small, basically he may cry, he may be wanting to it, he'll fight with you. What happens is the same nature. When you're small, you get the things easily. The parents provide you being a parent, you provide to your children so that they have to not cry or they should not be sad. They have to be happy. But this is what makes them, and this is what cushions them when they become for a better age, like say maybe like 16, 18, if they want something which is unconventional. You call it unconventional job, right? Being an actor, being a poet, being a writer, being a sportsman, athlete. A career which does not have stability, what I can call you. So they gave the question is like, you give me everything, whatever you want. Whatever I want, till today. But this is what makes me happy for the rest of my life. But what's the problem in giving it, providing it? You being a parent, you don't understand the reality that you try to explain your vision, right? Like it is not quite correct, it is not right, or it is not appealable to us, only star kids or star sons. For example, you are being to an actor your son may not have any background. Then if he tells about it, you may go about whatever family things. This is not our cup of tea, this is not the place, it is not safe for you, like that. Any situation. But illustration number 2. If you give your child or any girl or boy, just give them some time. Tell them 2 months I'll be giving you. If you want to try any unconventional, but I won't give any money from my pocket. Just see how the life is. Trust me, that is his best process of life or best learning of life. Even IIT and NITs can teach him. Because all the insults, the hunger, the importance of money is only known through that phase. The moment you see your child hustling through, you start believing and the results take place. Result does not happen over midnight or overnight. The same process works. Like for example, you have given it 2 months. 2 months is 60 days. Let us I'm as a child, if I am challenged by my father that 2 months is my deadline to become an artist or a sportsman, anything, to make it a bigger level, I'll be writing my plans. This is called a mini plan strategy. For the master plan, it is a mini plan. Mini plan is for 20 days. Because it's 60 days, 60 divided by 4. 15 days you will be getting, not 20, pardon me. For every 15 days, you will be going through the process and you will be accessing what was the failure. You will be analyzing what have to be done, what have I done, and all this. You will be keeping hustling. You will be running in the madness, keeping all the insult judgments around. Even the parents have to observe the child in this process, because he may go through the mental phase also. So I suggest you, all these minor plans really teach you a lot of things. I hope all of you go and achieve whatever you want in life by dividing it, major plan to minor plan and micro plan. 3-step process which really makes you what you are and teaches a lot. Whatever you want, no matter if you win or lose, I hope you all win and achieve whatever you want in life. But if you did not get it, you have to be having a plan B. That's very, very, very important. Even in the process, for example, let's say you wanted to be an actor, right? As I given an example. So try taking dance classes or taking some tuitions morning and evening, so that you'll be earning the money and you should not be a burden for your family. You have to, the moment you start believing, you do something at least, right? You'll understand what importance money plays in your life. You won't be that guy who will just regret and you will just punishing others for your own mistakes. That is a really bad thing. You'll be really learning something, right? This is how you need to do it. As I said, you master plan to minor plan to micro plan. That's the best strategy. And in minor plan, you'll be having lot of failures, lot of insults. All that will be gone in the micro itself. Micro to minor to major. That's the learning life can ever give you. So thank you so much, guys, for providing this opportunity. I'll be coming very soon with another episode on SVR Sai Krishna Seko. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Cheers. Thank you.